and we hold these exhibitions, jewelry world exhibitions, where we have 50 plus jewelers from Jaipur, Surat, Indore, Ahmedabad, Delhi, and Bombay. And the exhibition has become very popular now. I mean, it has gained a lot of popularity over the last 3 years, and and the best part is that we are pulling in very niche crowd. You will find the counters busy. You'll find there will find a lot of business happening across counters, because post COVID people have started taking jewelry from across India. So the exhibition has grown for the past 3-4 years, because we have been marketing the exhibition very well, very extensively. We cover a lot of platforms to market the exhibition. And the main focus is that we cater to, or we market at the wedding families, brides to be, and there is so many options today so that we have a very good reach to wedding families or even brides and groom families and all. So what is happening is that we're getting a very good turnout of people. We're getting very good footfall. So the footfall, whoever comes to a wedding exhibition, whoever comes to a jewelry exhibition, has certain agenda. She has something in mind, and she has a certain agenda. She comes to the exhibition, they select pieces, and that's how the sale happens. Is the exhibition starts growing in terms of exhibitors also, and in terms of footfall also. So the only thing what we have in our mind is that we have to increase the numbers in terms of the visitors, that we get good sale and the good quality sale. We have more big ticket sale. We focus more on niche families, so that so that the participants take a good sale basically. So we do select the exhibitors in terms of what kind of jewelry they're carrying, because the footfall which we have is very niche. They're wedding families, so that's the reason we have to be very selective about the exhibitors also, that they carry or that they have wedding collection. And we do not take exhibitors who carry or who have very small jewelry pieces. We select jewelers who carry or who have or who display very designer pieces, who are very current with the market, who are very reputed also, as well as they have very innovative pieces. Or every season the jewelers come up with a lot of new designs. We see the difference in designs every year. Once the season begins, the jewelers have a lot of new pieces, and we know that they've been using different new stones, new gemstones for the current season, and all, so that we see the jewelers in the jewelers display. And since everyone is very aware on Instagram, and when we see brides walking in, they have like 50 designs on their telephones, on their phones, on their cell phones, and so everyone is very aware. The jewelers have the best of the best designs, very innovative pieces, fusion pieces, and all, and that's how it goes. We are definitely looking at making the exhibition bigger. So we plan to take it to a different venue, because the exhibitors are increasing. We are finding very good turnout on the visitor side also, in terms of quality. Saying that the counters are really busy all 3 days. The counters are busy. There is work happening, and also we're finding the need of making the exhibition bigger, which we will eventually take it to a different venue. So the buyer is very aware today. In fact, it is like the buyers are having so much of information. They're very educated, very aware. In fact, the buyer is the bride today. Okay, so earlier it used to be the parents used to select with the bride, but it's like now the bride chooses and the parents are like okay about it. So that's so the actual buyer is the bride today. Yeah, so we've done a lot of things which were different last year as this year. So this year we've changed a lot of marketing strategy. We've added around 4 to 5 new strategies to our marketing, and we've invested in certain places where we used to not. And yeah, that really impacts our footfall. And as I mentioned, we see more brides and weddings because our focus is more, to the wedding clientele, to the luxury clientele. So that's secondary reason. Earlier we were stuck to a very traditional method of marketing. And since Shan Chawla has also entered into business and he's more on the marketing side, so he comes up with a lot of ideas that let us do this, let us do this, and where we are seeing the difference, we are seeing the difference in the outcome, we're seeing the difference in the projection, the perception of the exhibition because he is too much. He's on the marketing side. So so we've sorted out with our marketing in terms of the outcome which we're getting now. As we're seeing, the quality has been improving of the visitors, and the entire goal is good buying and quality buying and big ticket buying. So that is what is being achieved. We're seeing the difference. And yesterday also when we saw the walk-ins, and also we were like the quality has been changing and it's really going very well. It has actually, since it's a luxury segment, so we're seeing the difference in the buying and the kind of families which moved in. But yes, we are looking forward for more marketing, newer marketing strategies. So that's how. Yeah, so I could only say that for a new exhibitor, I would like to say unless and until you don't try the exhibition, you will not know what it is. So, and then moreover, the kind of reviews which we get from our existing brands. So I think that is a very positive feedback for us. And the exhibitors, yeah, they will have to see it to be it or to witness it basically.
Okay.